Gold investing. 5 reasons why gold could go down this year. Before buying or selling gold, it's really important to learn this gold education video until the end. Welcome to World Traveling, Millionaire, Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. Where are you watching from? Comment down below. And for May 1st to May 14th, I made over 14,000, around 15,000. So in this month, it's only 10 trading days. So average about 1,500 a day. So you might be thinking, oh, Master Rich, you always make money. And how could it be? Let me tell you how it could be. For May 1st, let's just look at May 1st. Okay, one day I made only $267. But 2 trading days, May 1st to May 4th, oh, I lost $3,000. So I lost 1,500 a day. Wow, I could never come back. If you're gambling, yes, it's really hard to make the money back because the more you lose, and the more you want to gamble, and the more you gamble, the more you lose. But this stock investing and option trading, right? So investing and option trading is different. So it's investing in stock means you buy the companies, right? You own the companies. It's not the same as gambling. So after 3 trading days, my loss became 2,600. A little bit less, not bad. May 1st to May 6th, 4 trading days. Oh, I made over 10,000. You see, just like this, all my losses disappear, right? Disappear. What happened? Because on May 6th, within a day, I made over 13,000. That's how you could recover from losses, right? So that's why never be too sad, never be too upset, never give up, right? If you have a few $1,000s, that's very normal part of the trading. If you make so much money, it's also normal part of the trading. Most people don't make consistent money because they are either traders or they are investors. For traders, most traders lose money. Right? For investor, you invest in a stock, hold it for more than 1 year. Where will you get the money to eat and travel? Right? So you don't really see your money. Yeah? You may be rich on the paper, but you don't really see the money. But if you combine the two, just like I do, I'm an investor and traders, combine the two, you could see consistent profit. I make consistent profit. Not everyone's gonna get it. Now this is not typical. So I'm just showing you what I achieved. Okay, from May 1st to May 14th. Oh, 10 trading days I made around 15,000, so 1,500. So if you want to learn more about education, stock investing, option trading, gold investing, how to travel around the world and make money from anywhere, subscribe to this channel. So this is not a financial advice. Anything that I say, I'm not telling you to buy or sell any security stocks or whatever. This is only for education and entertainment purposes only. Okay. For gold, look at gold. Year to date up 10.96%, but the past 3 days it's down 1.19%. Yeah, I talked about the gold, 5 reasons why the gold could go up in the previous video. That time gold price was only 4,500, 4,600 around. Then after that it jumped. It hit 4,737. Then it pulled back a little bit, right? So now it's time for me to talk about 5 secrets why gold could go down. So that you can make educated decision, right? I told you 5 reasons why gold could go up. Now I'm telling you 5 secrets why gold could go down. So you just make your own decision, okay? So reason number 5, interest rate pause or hike. Why? Okay. Inflation is high. Federal Reserve may not reduce the interest rate, right? They may pause. So for 2026, it's very high chance that they will pause the interest rate for the whole year, for the rest of the year. When they pause interest rate, the gold price may go up a little bit, or may go down a little bit. It may not be so dramatic. But if they hike the interest rate, oh, that's gonna be a shock or a surprise to the market. Gold price could go down. The same way stock market, it could also go down. Of course, there are other factors because AI revolution. If the AI change revolution is too much, the demand is too much, it may not go down. But then gold, yeah, gold could go down. Why? Because when you raise interest rate, it costs you more to borrow money to invest in gold, right? So lots of investors, they borrow money to invest. So they may just stop borrowing, or they may just set a goal to pay back the loans. So in that case, gold price gonna go down because lots of people sell it, right? So that's the reason why gold price go down. This is reason number 5. So what is reason number 4? Reason number 4 is strengthening US dollar. Strengthening US dollar is not good for gold. Why? Because gold is priced in US dollar. So when US dollar goes down, gold price go up. And when US dollar goes up, gold price go down. Because when US dollar appreciate, you can buy more gold with the same amount of dollar. So that way, hey, US dollar is going up. Hey, I just need to pay you a little bit of US dollar to buy gold. So why would US dollar go up? If you raise interest rate, if the Federal Reserve raise the interest rate, then there are lots of investors around the world. Japanese investor, Korean investor, European investor, Australian investor, their interest rate may be low, right? So they can borrow their currency, pay just a little bit interest, then they use that to buy US dollar, then they put it in the US bank, and they get higher interest rate, right? So this is called positive carry. You are borrowing at a lower interest rate in your own currency to invest in higher interest rate currency, right? So there are more demand for US dollar. In that case, US dollar goes up, gold price goes down. You see, there's correlation between among different reasons. So reason number 3 is also part of the reason why gold price could go down. So let's look at reason number 3. Why is that? Reason number 3 is easing global inflation. If global inflation is not as bad as central banks think, if they are close to their target, if people think, inflation is not that much anymore, that I can manage it, I don't need to buy gold. You know what? I will just use that money to invest in companies, to invest to start my own business. Then in that case, they can sell gold to raise money for other purposes, right? So this is reason number 3 why the gold price will go down. Reason number 2 is reduced safe haven demand due to global stability. One global, let's say there's no more war, no more Ukraine-Russia war, and no more Middle East war, people are not going to be nervous. They don't want to hold gold. They will just do their own business, sell the gold, right? So that could happen if globally, if it's stabilized. Then people are going to sell gold to raise money for other purposes. So this is reason number 2. What is reason number 1? Institution profit taking, right? If gold price is too high, even for consumer like you and I, hey, we have some gold, but the price is always too high. We don't want to buy more, so we probably don't have money to buy more. So we may just sell gold. The same way with central banks. Central banks have been accumulating gold for a long time. Their average price could be really low. They see the gold price 6,000, 5,000, whatever. It's really too high. I'm just gonna sell. Done. In that way, there are more supply in the market, less demand because the price is too high. So what could happen? The price is gonna go down. Right? Very normal. This is institutional profit taking. Institutional profit taking could be serious because they have billions of dollars, right? They have billions of profit. They have incentive to sell gold. when the price is too high. Very normal. So this is 5 reasons. So which reason do you think gonna contribute to the gold price decline the most? Comment down below. If you want to learn more, go to Master Restore Option Crypto, go to playlist, check out my other videos. If you want to talk to me, have a discussion about education, stock investing, call option, put option, invest option, day trading, movement and stock, and gold investing, you can join my Patreon, Rich Mentor. The link will be in the description comment below. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.